Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Let's start the video about mobile marketing. What is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing is a multi-channel, digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their smartphones, tablets, and/or other mobile devices, via websites, email, SMS and MMS, social media, and apps. In recent years, customers have started to shift their attention and dollars to mobile. Because of this, marketers are doing the same in order to create true omnichannel engagement. As technology becomes more fragmented, so does marketing. And in order to earn and maintain the attention of potential buyers, content must be strategic and highly personalized. When it comes to mobile marketing, this means keeping devices in mind and utilizing SMS, MMS marketing and mobile apps. Mobile marketing is an important piece of the puzzle when it comes to building out any short-term or long-term marketing plan. From email to pay-per-click, PPC, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing, there is a mobile marketing channel to reach every part of your audience where they are most comfortable. For mobile marketing to be effective, you need to curate a cohesive experience that customers expect, and that can be a real challenge as you work to acquire, engage, and retain users across a variety of platforms. Mobile marketing can do wonders for driving brand value and demand for your products or services by leveraging mobile devices to connect with more consumers in real time at any point in the customer lifecycle. Mobile is also growing steadily. According to a marketer, mobile versus desktop usage stats in the United States in 2018 show that the mobile-only audience will grow to 55.7 million, nearly 19%, by 2022, and Adweek estimates that 79% of smartphone users have their phones on or near them all but 2 hours a day. Today, there are more mobile devices in the world, 8.7 billion, than people, 7.1 billion, due largely in part to our voracious appetite for new technology. UN data analysts have found that in the United States, 71.5% of citizens over the age of 13 have a smartphone, and 66.5% have smartphones globally, Worldometer's UN data, GSMA intelligence. To harness the growing power of mobile marketing, you must focus on creating a seamless experience that your audience expects. For me, the future of mobile marketing lies in connecting the dots between online and offline media. Mobile is such a powerful tool when used in conjunction with other, more traditional, media and should be seen as the glue that binds everything together. Mike Reynolds, Senior Mobile Executive, International Advertising Bureau. Common problems that mobile marketing can solve. Mobile marketing is unique in that it reaches people in real time right where they are. Additionally, more and more sales are being initiated from mobile, so it's a vital part of any marketing strategy. Problem: I'm unsure if my audience is a mobile audience. Today's mobile users range from ages 7 to 90, one audience. In other words, pretty much everyone is a mobile user in some capacity. The trick is knowing how and when they use their mobile devices. Take time to develop buyer personas and you'll be able to reach your audience anywhere. Problem: my website and content are not responsive. One of the first steps to creating a mobile marketing program is ensuring responsive design across your website, emails, and landing pages. By implementing responsive design, you ensure a seamless and easy to engage with experience that will attract and retain users. Problem: I have good mobile traffic, but I'm not seeing good conversion. There are a variety of methods that can be used to analyze and optimize your mobile marketing tactics, including improving your responsive site and landing page design, and personalizing content for mobile. It's essential for businesses to future-proof their marketing strategy by boosting those mobile conversion rates. Problem: I don't know how to integrate a mobile strategy into my marketing plan. The key to defining any effective strategy is to first decide what success looks like. Get the key stakeholders together to map your mobile marketing strategy, determine how current efforts are performing, if you have any in place, and identify where you can improve. Components of mobile marketing. Mobile marketing goes far beyond text messaging and mobile apps. To have a cohesive marketing experience, you must consider responsive design across the board. Mobile-friendly websites. Mobile-friendly content fits on the screen without side-to-side scrolling or zooming, it loads quickly, and it's free of mobile-specific errors. The most important reason to maintain a mobile-friendly site is to create a consistent and engaging user experience, UX. Mobile UX has a dramatic effect on every stage of the buying cycle. Mobile-friendly marketing SMS and MMS messages. SMS, short message service, and MMS, multimedia message service, messaging are two direct methods you can use to send content to customers, but it's important to use these channels wisely. Gain knowledge of the best techniques to get your messaging to your customer fast and go over the cardinal rules for an effective campaign, whether it be promos, videos, product alerts, or reminders. Mobile-friendly advertising and landing pages. 57% of email is opened on mobile platforms, and 69% of mobile users delete email that isn't optimized for mobile. Litmus. Because of this, it's imperative that your emails employ responsive design, a strategy that automatically formats web page content for optimal viewing on any device. And don't forget about landing pages. If your email is mobile-friendly, but the click-through goes to a landing page that isn't optimized for mobile, that visitor will likely become frustrated and click away. Mobile-friendly apps. With the right strategy and roadmap, mobile apps can provide an opportunity to drive profound engagement with your customers. Explore the different types of apps, productivity, commerce, retained engagement, and mixed use, and whether or not a mobile app is the right move to support your acquisition, engagement, or conversion business goals. Mobile-friendly MarTech. 20% of mobile apps are only used once. With most consumers having 50 to 100 apps on their phones, how can you ensure that your company's mobile app stands out from the competition? Mobile app developers face many unique marketing challenges, including the need to drive ongoing app downloads, installs, and usability improvements. Companies with mobile apps that have used marketing automation can better drive app downloads, user retention, engagement, and monetization. Return on investment, ROI, of a successful mobile marketing program. With buyers using mobile more and more frequently to research future purchases, a proper mobile marketing strategy can lead to a direct increase in revenue. Mobile marketing reaches buyers that are researching products. More and more, mobile users are shopping. Google's research shows that comparison searches using Best have increased by 80% in the last 2 years. Mobile marketing is growing. Google has found that about 50% of B2B queries today are made on smartphones. The Boston Consulting Group, BCG, expects that figure to grow to 70% by 2020. Mobile marketing is part of most sales. More than 60% of B2B buyers report that mobile played a significant role in a recent purchase, BCG, 2017. Planning, implementing, and optimizing your mobile marketing program. Mobile marketing is both a short-term and a long-term strategy, and to create a successful program, there are certain steps you'll need to follow. Step 1. Create mobile buyer personas. Understanding your audience is the first step to any marketing strategy, and buyer personas are a valuable tool to aid in that understanding. Buyer personas are fictional representations of your various types of customers. Create a profile that describes each one's background, job description, main sources of information, goals, challenges, preferred type of content, objections, and/or role in the purchase process. It is easier to determine a channel and voice for your marketing messages when you have a clear picture of your target audience. Observe mobile habits, utilize A/B testing, and you'll build out useful buyer personas for mobile. Step 2. Set goals. Before you launch a mobile marketing strategy, you'll need to determine your goals and create a plan. Our guide will help you understand customer life cycles and develop personas, build your marketing calendar and marketing automation toolkit, and define your mobile marketing goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, across all channels. Determine main objectives, key audiences, and how you're developing cross-channel engagement, so you can analyze how the channels you're currently using can be included in your mobile marketing strategy. Step 3. Establish KPIs. Just like your other marketing efforts, mobile marketing needs to be tested and optimized. Determine which realistic measurable KPIs define your mobile campaign success. Engagement. Provide mobile-friendly content for potential customers who are searching for information about your industry or product. Make sure your website is mobile responsive to improve mobile SEO. Acquisition. Make sure lead nurturing emails are mobile friendly with clear calls to action. Buttons in emails should be near the top of the message and be big enough to easily tap in order to facilitate click-throughs. Then make it as easy as possible for someone to fill out a form on your mobile optimized landing page. Customer service. In a connected social marketplace, customer service is very much a marketing opportunity. Allow your customers to easily reach you through any platform they want, including simple click-to-call buttons for smartphone users. Step 4. Monitor mobile metrics. Google Analytics can help monitor mobile usage of your site. Mobile behavior data reveals how well your mobile content engages your audience, and conversion data indicates whether or not some of your key landing pages still need to be optimized for mobile browsing. Dashboard tools can show you the quantity and quality of traffic, page view metrics, bounce rates, and more. Thank you for watching the video. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.